Dreaming of that perfect find but want to spread the cost? Sezzle Instore makes it a reality. That's right. Your favorite buy now, pay later service is now a seamless part of your in-person shopping experience at a growing number of stores. Let's walk through exactly how to use Sezzle when you're out and about, making smart, budget-friendly choices. Step 1. When you're ready to pay, simply tell the cashier that you'd like to use Sezzle. They'll likely have a sign or prompt at their payment terminal. Step 2. The cashier will then either scan a QR code directly from your Sezzle app, or they might ask you to scan their terminal's QR code with your app. It's quick, secure, and incredibly straightforward. Step 3. Once the scan is complete, your Sezzle app will confirm your payment plan. You'll see your first installment is typically due at the time of purchase, with the remaining payments conveniently spread out over a few weeks. This is where you're managing your finances with flexible payment plans, splitting your purchase into manageable chunks. Step 4. That's it. You've just made your purchase using Sezzle Instore. You can track all your payments, view upcoming due dates, and manage your account directly within the Sezzle app, ensuring you're shopping responsibly and staying on track with your budget-friendly installments. Sezzle Instore puts you in control. You get to enjoy your purchases today while paying over time in interest-free installments. So next time you're out, look for the Sezzle option and unlock a smarter way to shop.